red roses, chocolates, giant balloons, candies. Did you receive anything like that? Kora batine cyo watungizo bero no tugambira. Labatangira aba programmation nga izoba na 2012 byo kwezi kwa kabiri umwaka ni 2025 and world over ingasho musiyona hiro harama ahanga gataragamwe na gama gatakukora ekitwaza gambaho nibajaguza ekisuru kweta Valentine's Day. Ikirechi nekire cyatangiye kujaguzwa enyumaho as early as the 14th century no bari bakirangira in the 5th century tutekateka ningashukujuro mu kuchondoza ngu ekikatandika owachitandikire mu mwete Valentine himself. There's all lots of information. This is my favorite account ingashingukira kureba story ngucha kureba ne kwata mjwa who was either a bishop or a priest haza natekatekwa kuba yabire na gita abantu abakundine omubwire obu emperor wabira obwire obu yabi nakizebera. Okay, and then he was later killed bamuzika habiro 12 ebyokwezi kwa kabiri. Okay, so kwihobwe chaenda chirahikira hanuye. And I should tell you that in the Roman Catholic Church actually Saint Valentine numuhikirire Saint Valentine harona namakirize gatargamwe nagamwe agari kwetererwa omuntu ogo. Fast forward the 21st century, itobe turi kureba they a little bit different. Abakuba tureba ikintu kibe cha love and relationships. Tureba abantu niboherereza nebe muri abantu niboherereza bwa candies, chocolates and nebindi bintu kebyo bwa notes burungi munonga ugambira umuntu kagambuka muhandikira ukamutwara so that they think about you omune oguri nkogwe. So now this evening I thought kutwa kuganira ibintu ebya Valentine ngara bwe tukebuza ekiri kutuma relationships zitu ezo tukwa tutandikire zitagumizamu nichi because no shangu abantu binja basigazana na nabishiki nempangare batandika relationships batandika birungi mnonga after a while ora mu relationship efiri ekikutuma relationships ezo zafa nichi kandi tukakora cyo kureba relationships ezo zagumaho kandi bitu twasa kubantu bitamuza umuringo rugwe nawo. To help me discuss that and more, I'm joined by two love gurus. These guys are love doctors certified. Anita is a journalist no nyamakuru hanu TV West kandi namushachwa makuru na arebe bintu binji munonga. She's on ground. She's in very many fellowships including fellowships y'abantu abasingo z'abantu abasingo etari yemwe etari ibirezi ndikumanya kandi numunyeto. She is not married, right? And then on my right nyine ho old man of the clan Mwami Eri Achiza nawe numunyamakuru na covering stories nyingi munonga including he's going to share experiences ebyarebe bibiri munane by'imihondano yo maka na nebintu binji ebyarebere omukugira mu experience ye ayino mukazi mutakabana ningo kamuvinga chumwine ayino mukazi no mushija shwire so ntsa ko bantu ganira okureka kintu asa ko bantu cyayo omuri oguri nkogwe erinye natandike niyo Valentine watunga kine cyo watunga
chiruho.
Chiruho.
Yes. No manya ekirabo. Abindi no bakira kureba mu tangible gifts. But there are also intangible ones.
Okay.
Omuntu yachero mukashisha kakusincha ka message how are you my love. It's also a gift. So biruho kando mwe ahabwa security reasons. Mwe tukira kubitom public. Babantu babirebe konka ekirabo nkine nakitunga kandi nano akinyohereza we no wabandize kutungizo bari yanyuma.
Okay, that's good. Anita, what took it?
Yes.
That should explain the smile. The smile is really wide. So, Eddie.
Yes, Bob.
Relationships in zitandika ziri nyinshi, okay? Abasika sibatandika nabishi umbwire ko hari excitement ya mani. Ko most of these relationships tizukuheza nangwana na mezi atanu. Uhura ngo mezi ashatu relationship yawo. Otakashwiri. Were you involved in quite a number of them? Estarakozere then okahendera ugiro mbiyeje yakozere
ni nyinji munongo.
So hasi echatumeza bezitakora nichi echituma zitakora nichi
at Bobs ebintu bya rukundebi no reba it is chirinko kombe kenjo enjo waje ho musinje gugumire ne hangara.
Okay.
Waje ho musinje nka kuriyo mbiburi wayombe karuchiri na no wayombe kamushenyi. So na no mu rukundo nkwe biru biti why relationship wajombekera aha musinjo gugumire tekubasa kubara kuhangara nimanyisa ki omukundwa wawe ekyo banza kyabyona shemeye kuba ari munywani wawe. That's the core thing.
Okay.
Munywani wawe nakwetegereza namanya ekyo orukunda namanya abanywani bawe abandi niwe nakumanya. So ninjira ngu okuza omu bintu by'omubonano tugebe bya rukundo
kandi bete bya rukundo ariko byazamu ebya jiro
so okuza mu bintu bya rukundo niyo ninjira ngu oshemerire kuza mu rukundo na munywani wawe. Eshonga aha bwenki relationships zeberebi zemerire aha tangible goods nkoko nakugambire omutuma nico kiba the core foundation ya relationship. Nimanyisa ki omutuma kukureba amisho kugareba gagambira omutuma gusima
ninga gwanga
kandi kuguba gutasimire tozayo oreba omuhiki nka Anita omureba abonire konko omutuma gwawe gwanga
ningo ndija mureba
Oria rajat one man's meat, another man's poison. Oria kajangwa another man ate it. So ninjangu ahaho abantu binju niho bakukira kuba mistaken. Aza omu relationship just okuba omushya yemerire je ningo omusigaza aine kyemero kirungi aine bireju arabakunda bine nibazeta side bands ati banajo arebera huru nkanye this is the cute guy supposed to go with. Kumbe omutuma obwongo akuna nyo njangu cheme kuzabwongo cheme kuzamutuma omuntu nayana agambaniwe no mureba direction yarikwerekamu orebo tushware ogu aino bwenje cyo banza cyabyona ecya kabiri aine bitekateko byo kuntwara hare tar kurebera nyencha kare orwa mukaga ugashesha bwira ngutubakira hamwe
yabare mnoga Anita, especially from the side of the ladies, abishinusha bo okurugira okuruhanga yabahanjire okutanwa n'abashija abishinga shabakazi nibarebe the bigger picture wareba nanareba echi nchitande chirahi nichihendererahi chine hina cyo chiza ndinga just no guma tudata netwetorora konka. Many times we hear men say these days nanabishita bacha barukwenda tubakumache barukwenda abo kuba izwa naija ari nkachirumu akwa divided attention oshanga ino ndijo wazirata owaine oshanga nageze katurebo go cyayo na leta oshanga na comparing. Okay, what would you like to tell us about that?
Well, mnonga Bobs kontaya isa izina lyanje Anita atkunda nyo munteka tekanje na nebindebire ninganira nabishyi abamwe nabishyi abajenerwe abandi nabatajenerwe nyo ndi omuntu wo muchachi mnonga konka enshonge mwe kureta relationships zayanga ninga zarema ubwiro bwingi twina kaharo
akarindi
elizoba ndiyo wa eri nchakare ndiyo wa Bobs omushyo kware Bobs kware yaho muchwe muri na nyenda babimpe kandi omwe boyfriend wanje takubasa nyo ninjangu twina kaharo kandi omwe tukuma reasonable wengi twatandikire that relationship omwe nozo mu relationship utakumanye cyo kwenda like in early 20s ojera tubiri mu campus kaine boyfriend otinanye kanjere boyfriend so mwe tutandika relationship takumaye cyo kwenda kandi nyo njangu waza tutandika relationship no muntu Bobs no nda tutandika na relationship tusheme kuzate bo tukajya mu relationship yitu area point says nez relationship yitu ntuza kudatinga for maybe 2 years turaheze tuiza kushoma twatandika twakora we get married konka relationship eza hati we just be there to be happy ninza yo kujangu maybe mfune boyfriend agmentware out ninga on Valentine's mpaka muri ampe
yaba takakuhire izoberi chibechezo
twenda no shoti ni twenda when relationship no shangu ni nka garage kujya mutuza nkamoto kongo efire bagikanike so ntuza kujya mutube twehungizemo nanye kunene interview na friend wanje mche kunkanye na boyfriend kunka yambuza ekigenderwa cha relationship yitu nimba ntachini turiyo abo kugira ngo tukuratira abandi nyo njya cyo kureta relationship yafu.
Anita, if I could stick with you ntura umbwire wa social media these days harubona ngwana na za movies abana nibareba za film soaps tuzina ntu tuzobereka. Do you think ngwebe bintu hine nabyo okuberesere habaho empinduka omitekereze kukonsivinga ikintu cha relationships?
Well, mnonga Bobs. Ikintu cha social media na movies contributing mnonga boko especially to abishi kutwanze renka Nigerian movies na other movies and soaps ntendara veryomwe ejyo pamparinga era kandetere muri every day to then you to following which is very impossible. Abokuba when you're in relationships nkito abokora hinobora mare wiki otinemu kana boyfriend wawe umwana aza kubatine
nawe mutiri
sebe bya gift se tukureba mbe Nigeria twine kumangu nba actinga kune ntine mhati na elna basa kubatine yoni njang twatu ryaba ku building a strong relationships. First of all, understanding omuntu wawo ku dating naza kujowa Bobs yatanka ku dating abe open ntatu noreba ninkora ABCD ahinkora umshara tumuhangu kunkomwe niyo Bobs no jombi otinore nyoni nkoro vision group otin bat ha million income million nyingi so na expectations zahi guru mba ningambira friends banje nyoni no mshija nakoro vision group centers zinde so nakuje nyendishe cheke of course ninjangu itwabi chomwe numutubiha then it expectations ba high
and that's why I wanted to nimayi nakwabo ine ukukunkana ikintu cha expectations abasigazi ni mugambera bishi ensiniguru but when it's time to deliver abakomka mugabira mubabihire from the start and there's something about women, they are really genuine. Abinch when are genuine umuhango like putting all other factors constant na genuine ekutuma mwenda abashisha bagumana baraganisa nichi nabo kugira ngo you are insecure no mangu wawe utamutungira cuba noza kumuruzinga nabo kugira ngo numanya ngo sente noza kora kuzitunga actually then ucimuhereze then wamara ubone kongera hakwana ndakongera
ati arihe bintu nkabibere ninga bishatu eco kubanza abakaza abana babo kureba nibenda munonga kutunga like
they are
on the receiving end naenda ngo muhereze kugira ngo hangoro mutumagwe abone bamwe kandi hariho nabakumarwa oshango omukazi oba wamha oba tuwamha amazurwa haze cyo kiremere kwetegereza abashija ngu omukazi oba wamuhereza oba tuwamuhereza yariho gumaniwe na gumaniwe yatariho gumaniwe nakora ki
so mwene chintu chikatuma yaguma hwaho
ebye byo kumhamanya namugurira motoka manya namuhebe muri manya buri weekend ntugenda a KFC turiye nkoko manya tuza beach manya swiminga ebyo byona twine kucumanya ngo oba wamha oba tuwamha naja kugenda kandi yo mukazi we oyine kucumanya ngogo mushije oba wamutuga okenda ngo akhereze byindi
that's a big word
no kutugamanya nukokwe
yes
gotangurire state yi cyo kushana necha Anita hati we nitachukunda
kunkaira kanoshana bum harabashira bari yabakodo nacoka tukigambe abo kuba we know you kana ngo eri numanga bamwe nibabira abandi bakuha and then the official girls the official chick does not get anything
echaretera ntamhaniki echare nshwire Anita no mukazi wanje nturara mu mchitanda twine nabana nango abashatu nimpera abana fizi ninkora byone byomuka echaretera nakwata sente nkazihereza Bridget wo mukasingenge nkazima Anita utkurara hamwe umuntu those are the way or na mu relationship oyine kumwetegereza ukamanye cyarukunda ukamanye cyarkwanga ukamanya weakness na strength Bobs nani manyangu weakness yawe no kushaba ninza ku encouraging ngo tushabe nani manyangu strength yawe ne sente kurabo myanya yengaro I will encourage you to save watunga omushahara ndiyo mukazi wawe imangu ebe nebiro byo kutunga omushahara ninza kutandika kureta ideas ezirarebeke ngu sente ezo zaheza kwija niza kushanga oyine obwongo butekatekire kugira ngu nintunga omushahara gw'emitwaro 8 let's nyine hamabanja g'emitwaro 20 konka hateri emitwaro 6 nyona ndiyo mukazi wawe nshemerire kuba natire plan naziterire plan already of course nmangu aronke chikume chorarye konka nshemeba naziterire plan najizere ngo hati sente kuzirije nshemeye kuba namutiro mudu at least tukagira hitwazicika because akwetegerize yamanya ngo weakness yawe sente no kurabo myanya yengara eco neco kubanza strength yawe no kuboyine sente so aine kurebeka ngo yakuteraho oburyo bwona kurebeka ngo mwaguma mwineki because that's your strength.
Okay.
So ninjira ngo abakundine mwine kwetegereza kurebeka ngo wayetegereza omukundu wawe weakness ye ne strength yeye erayi ahari weakness ebe nto watamani munonga aho kuba kuri ahari strong okwenagumiza mwari gukora ki ari kwe pushing so identify the weakness obe niyo wa pushing to the extent yo kugira ngo omukundu wawe wakore ki atebekane.
Anita ebintu bituma tibyakirike byira ukashanga omukazi nogumuka amisho gahangira umushija akagenda akapakasa na wakazana za Buganda akapakasa. Things have kind of changed now. Konka obi changing osha oti omukazi ayenda ngo depending ahamugira ki ahamushija konka twena ntukora Anita twena twimukagara kasheshe twagenda waza kuchapa na inaza kugira naza kuchapa twagaruka hati ontega emikono
kandi twena tsibire
kandi twena twagire kora ekintu cyo jana cyo nchireta behekwa omu relationships zetu
bari mnonga bobs ngo twagambire ekintu cha relationships. First of all numushitama bobs mwaza iwaliyo washiri mwamitinga the first time mutaka je mu relationship nyoni njango cyakubekira ikikuru be friends manye bobs no munywani wanje no kutete ryo mu relationship obwatine kune namutera nterizoba katuje gutaka tantiye kuturamo we are dating namutera ntiyo series oba muri n'ibintu byagenda je nani gushabonsha shura amashanyarazi na wene ku understanding abo kuba n'umunywani wanje kunga kandi kunkushereka ukashanga nija kanzo wa bobs mukure mu mwaka then kunaize munaje je najya omuntu yari umunywani wawe takubasa kujya kanzo wa bobs mukure then ngareke nduje
konka nitanta kucire kirimi at what point at what stage of dating relationship do we start asking for help especially financially ni ryaro turukutandika
okuyamba umuntu financially nabiya kuba day one it is very okay konka yakuyamba atano mangu ninkore mtwari 10 uri nushabe kintu cye mtwara abirishwari nyoni njangu twatijwe muri relationship sometimes to be considerate yabuze ezezinkushaba bobs kuyara munyanyazi ezinta kabira zine.
Okay. Abinam Hazard ngomurisha imwe yomubazi gwerizoba program nation gayizo. My name is Bobs. My visitors tonight nyine Anita kandi hamwe na Achiza ntuziza kuganira bikwatiri na relationships ngashi ebyemekago ero kubigira mu ekintu kugira ngo tuje kitwareba omwe buri nkogo nyina ngo tumbereho then kuturagaruke haruho akantu akinkwenda ngo onshoborere abokuba haruho abakora ngo I have moved in nataka kutura nawe harakugira ngo we are dating tukuturamo but we are dating haturi yataka kutura nawe nangwa nabana campus ushangane batura hamwe irizo bananisho mu proper the new vision ba pastors bambagira ngo abantu who have been cohabiting for about 5 years they should be declared married. So hati washango be n'umuntu mwataka kutura hamwe at what point do you know that this is no longer dating, this is actually a marriage relationship? When we come back gumanitwe after this break.
Look out for StarTimes Solar to unwrap your lighting and entertainment experience this Christmas.
We wish you a Merry Christmas.
At only 700 shillings daily charge, get yourself a StarTimes S50 that comes with lighting, phone charging, strong lithium battery, radio with a flash port, and a Bluetooth speaker. For more entertainment needs, get yourself a StarTimes S130 that comes with an extra 32-inch TV screen and 2 years free StarTimes subscription. StarTimes Solar, more than just solar.
Omweleso gw'ebyobulimi n'obulunzi ogusinga obunene mu Uganda gugguse.
Amazina ganje ninye Beth Kapsha, Value Chain Officer wa Nairo Kado. Mbwenu ntubeta mwena mwije musome mwije mweje manye birunje biri omuhazi ovacado.
Okuyingira kokka omutwalo gumu buli lunaku ate emitwalo ebiri buli lunaku nga kuliko n'okutendekebwa. Omweleso gwa Harvest Money gukutuusibwako kampuni ya New Vision nga guwagiddwa.
Evening program Neshonga Izoba hano TV West izina ya Agent Bobs na Taisa Eddie hamwe na Anita aba n'abanyamakuru but they are also love gurus in their own way. Tugamba bikwate na bya rukundo na nokutwa kubasakora koreka relationships zitu zaguma kunje munonga relationship ya G-charge rugamu hatakaza ibintu bya emihonano yo maka ababene bakuna natibakireba n'ebinde biri nkebyo. That's why the discussion is moving. Kwa kandi kimomento bitwa twaganira aho tukuza kuzomuka humoro eri n'ikigambo kikwatirine na nature moving in. Eri reka nkwereze scenario. Wabo ino mwishi. Omushi namanya aho kutura. Akatana kanaija weekend. All right? Rakatana ija akurara. You know akorera ebyabakazi bakorera bibabo. Bakireba. Weekend achuwa. Atamara jirata. Ata.
Zakora agarkamo.
Obundi oshangwa ategerize ngo dike kigambo cyuwagamba kugira ngo atunge parking obora kugirota
kukigamba.
Ribarumwe omwecura na bag zezona ta atahati kurugaho
ateka mucece
abantu takateka unasagara kajine nko kutwino shanga ataruho oshanga yagumaho before you know it muguma muturamu baby number 1 comes baby number 2 what do we call that
hati ebintu byobushwerebi echo banza chabyona aha side y'abashije we are still disadvantaged kutasya omukazi hati officially mukawedinga okamutaro omuka no banza oine proto murimbarra wotakweyemerera oine proto murimbarra no basa kuhendero jugurize noza kutandikira kuzayo kucyara no benda shukari no benda omwonyo no benda burcumu ebyo wabara bakuteho no kuhinjira amanyo kujugisa ebyo byona so omusigazi wabo tine background hami wabo takweyemerera noja kushanga okugira ngo orabo muhanda ogugorokere ogubagamba izo mudini ninga nkai ngu oshwereje otasye mu buryo obwikire cyakurema ejo neshonga yo kubanza eya kabiri no shanga omwiki nakureba mu amani akugira mu obwesije na ijo wawe wabire established oinenju no pangisenju yebishenje bibiri erimu sitting room erimu ekiyungu erimu ekinabiro na nekishenje erimu entebe erimu TV erimu fridge oyine na mashini yo kozya emyenda wakireba notura wogo ejenju nono pangise yaki kandi we ari Kampala n'ubundi tayine murimo kandi we notunga umushahara gwa miliyoni 1.5 kandi omujyango nomukunda wakireba n'ubundi ishe na nyina omushoga akaheza kushoma emyaka 4 n'ubundi ishe na nyina bamutira pressure toshwerwa torondo mushijo kashwerwa akawaturisi hati atakwija katuraho naziburwa ki ejo nenshonga ya kabiri ya kashatu no shanga ngu Anita natura mukasingenge akakakoba nintura nko konjero napangisenje yemtwaro 20 nimpangisenje yemtwaro 30 ejo nemtwaro 50 buri kwezi Anita yija tukatura hamwe tukapangisenje yemtwaro 30 emtwaro 20 ye eyabe natunga nko musharago tukajeri kitwazikora mwe kindi can't we develop together
chiringu aho noba wa mutasya ninga naba yaba housemate because it looks like the bigger point there nokuja mu saving rent hata no wa mutasya no wajuru
hati aho no ndkwizirana na ekintu kibakweta decision making
okay
otwire no mushogu ningo twire no musigazogu kumara either emyaka nkena ninga nkeshatu ninjirangu that's enough time to understand each other waza kuhika extent yo kujiroti rwachi bikindi ija tutandike kutura hamwe it is the day in your mind and your heart and the whole body and your soul and your whole being and your whole family should decide ngogu yabo mukamwana witogo yabo mukazi wanje then mutandika urugendo rwo kwija kushemeza mukazi omuhando gugororoke.
Okay, I'll come back to you later. Anita, abashija abiraho bakaba abashija bikisije bakaba abashija buburyo men that would make things happen. Konka, you hear ladies say, I don't know if you also agree with me, the crop of men, the breed of men that we have now, chukubanza niba mommy's boys cyo banajyona tebarugamwa abanyi nabo ecyakabiri tibine plani taro structured mentorship kugira ngo yine ko umuntu amukurize
umuretera plana tkambanze nterere mama
kama nterere mama ibintu ebiri kebyo. I don't know from your experience if you have ever dated a guy that is like that, but generally do you agree ngabashija nibaburabura mu mito cyukwatira no kuzebwa umurimo gurugo
Munga Bobs twagamba ishi abashija ati kugira ngo nubona ninga basigazi bona but some of them ninza kwikizana niwe abasigazi abamwe no datinga then mucyamaranga mezanga yo mbuze tati tuyontuzahi atishanorindebo atishanambanze mbuze mama and then you're like which means abazira bamwe tibatwire umuga gwabo kuzo mwana wo mojo itwabishi when abishya bingi umwana omuzire namufaho then bazoma associations oshanga church ne bafaho kunko umwana wo mojo ariyo kutakumanya hakuza natinishe takwenda gamba nawe ba ankoti baroho so takumanya cyo gukora njye kushanga mazo mu relationship obundi are confused takumanya what to do kana nekindi na nemichwe umusigazi wo gunayijo mukiriza ko kwari era kujya ati nyine ABC domjo itsuke nzakora hamwe mugaba nyuma yo kutandika kora hamwe eri kumuremo akoro omutwaro umaze naenda kunywa hobia ya kanana
umusigazi
kingashi kandi hati kalwe turiyo tweyira haza kuzara abana hazitwaze ati nyo tuje kunteje ko mbyange muhinda relationship omwe ko zireki efiri kana nekinde emichwe emwe ine erikwita relationships erikoro beno tashamushanje hati we are dating ninga twashwerana kandi hatoreke kongeraho okija shayikumi buriyo beno ija ori wenka kunkato ine someone to talk to kandi nekindi ko kubotari obundi umuntu ayirarikira unaje eri yabo nobuzubu omwa numuzayo nese umuntu bamutakuzikwata
nomwane yoheraho umuntu
magwe handikire so mumu icagira tibite kikumba nabone so mwe kanta kazira aha kata kanyanjire no yakwa yakwanjire agira ati kintu kankirigemu kandi hariho narebereho ibintu kushanga omuntu ngo bayiza kumuhingira today bagitwa tomorrow relationship ya for Monday. Ekintu kyemico muri relationship abo kuba omuntu naza akubiha ati mbwe nyono rating kunywa amarwa mayiza kugitwa on Monday aija sinzire
nagatandikira abugenyi
kandi omuba wagize uti konkanya omuntu ori kunywa amarwa tinkumbasa abo kuba niko kuzire so mwe mico kuba wamanyene ngo wantu wanyo kajata obu nambasa mwe mazimo okubiha mbwe no butabiwe cyo cyonkani cyita relationship
wabaga bakigambo cha decision making hazana ngize ngo tubareke tushading mu tushitemu a little bit of more time abo kuba nyinda kumanya umushinja kuza kushika decision yo kugira ngo hati natasi hati tusije cyane nobora berenkaye okuza ngo hati mwenu
kantasi
hati natasi
hati ejo neshonge kumiraho kubaba abantu bingi ebaremirikora echo banza cyabyona hati kamwambe nkarinyi omurimo gwanje gundu ukora buri izoba nindeba bakazi nindeba bishiki barungi nindeba bishiki abino bwenge n'abatabwine ababonire n'abatabonire abaringwa n'abagufunkanye wanyetegereza so abantu bingi nabazomba omusansa rete bakweta mixture of gases so omushanga ryaho mere meromuro ntwere bunuzi so agumaho emyaka babernetane yake bashate emyaka bamakumyana omusharema banywani be bamuteraho umushawe to tasya umushawe to shwera pe eshonga habwenje okutorana omukundwa wenyini kujiroti ogumazimanu we wanje nekintu kigumere kandi mazima bobs debo herze kugita niyo noche mangu nekinde kikozere ki etugumire noba wamutoranore anatanko gorerye nyongore otuba washohora hariya ugana na romansi kandi wo bwayahinguraho so ninjira ngo decision making nekinde kigumire twazacu wambuza kugira ngo niryari ubwo shemerire kusharamo kajiro tati natasya hariho umusigaza kanantebeza ombwire bwa covid noreba bakakinga bagira bati so kubakinjire bakinga girlfriend we amutaya yiri kandi we umusigaza akabari essential work no bamanye no mushaho no munyamakuru abo kandi omwiki atari essential work so she had only one option kushita mu mukakateka akoze emyenda so umusigaza kanjira ati it was one day nkacererwa murimo nijanye ciro nashanga yabyamere atkunatahiro munju namureba byamere hari atomutuma gwanjira ngo nanka washwera chaho
kana shwera bit
lockdown hamya yo mwaka atugundu washwera chaho so noreba ngo kandi na hati actually bakija bagitwa last year ngo mu 12 nkabashwe bagitwa baziri mwabana nkababiri noreba ngo akakora decision kurugira ahambera yobwire na nembera eryo munsi ejo no one time ya kabiri waza kusharamu kujeroti natas yosheme kuba no yemerera ni manyisachi financially you supposed to support yourself and your family oshemerire kuba no basa kugure byo kurya omunju kuba that's the core basic need mwa mutakombe kiro sheme kuba no basa kushashura rent oshemerire kuba no basa kujweka eka yawe ni okejweka sheme bano ono basa kusupportinga family erukukuzara na family erukuzara owareta because nyoko zara naza kugira ekizu omukazi wawe ine mweme twari 10 nyoko zara kwenda 20 nibaza kutamisha
niwe
ninyenja kare nyoko niwe aratere taratere mukamwana ojatu mwana wanje nyenda 10 nchimanyisa ki tumanyisa ngo waza kushwera oshemerire kudecidinga okajirote ati nimbasa kitari kigwereza inkecho wo mu covid oshemeriye kuba no yemera
urero bajuro uromushinja and we bring this to a close abakubeshana ndezampo omwishi ahakwikira kuza kujya ati now I am really settling down for marriage nabarabira muri chikwingana kuza kora that kind of decision
nibi bitanguhire konka I think as a Christian itwabi waza kujangwa settling first of all banzo shabera hanga akuhe omuntu wo kwenda Bobs no manye byo kwenda noje tkunza kusherwa nyenda ABCD itwinka Christians na nabanda benchiriza ni shabangwa mbena side yabikina nabojo doshabaranga ngo akoreke kandi ikindi waza kuza relationship kora decision ojo tinzengere naroha otinkwire kurobe no kura kore wabo na Bobs iganizejo kuba ari abantu abashwerine kunkana tanaenda kure ime akure Bobs akuro ninja wurire abishamo burango ngo bateka ngo boyfriend wakam disappointing boyfriend we yamwita so waza kuza relationship jiro tindi mbwene byone byenyuma nabirgamu considering na Bobs.
All right, ishazi tuzabaye akagambo kabo kamweru
ya nizoba ryabakundine ngo ku bari ku kigamo nyowe nkanye izobere ninjira ngo abantu abari yo mu relationships bashemerire kurukozesa nkakamanyiso ko kugarukana because mu relationships ntaba mwe bintu byinji iwe noba noryaho otakashwirwe otekateka ngo ibintu bikozere ki byorobi kandi noriyo ogire nyuma abazyo nawe atekateka at maybe obo musija wanje acurukunkunda nyencha karene biza kubaberije shemerire koze sizoberi kugarukana kitame hamwe kabakundine tuganire tureba turabiremu umwaka ogu twikirizane tugarukane ecya kabiri tukhendera ninjerangu enshonga yo kugira ngo mbajeta relationship ashemerire kubaho kuyambana omukazi kwataraho omushija wawe kandi wo mushija omukazi yayihayo akakukwatiraho kandi otamudisappointing konka tureke kurebera aha one side kugira ngo abo kugira ngo uri omushija niyo shemeye kureta ukareta oreba omushija wena ahwireyo abamwe no batandika kutambura no bakora ki nibanaga emikono kandi cyaha muheru abazire omwana w'omwojo natora hi tureke kufamu ikiwenka tukafamu ikiwenka yes abakazi bakine bizubu byinjo mu nsomo konka tureke kufamu mwana w'omukiwenka kandi ko arabe yakuzire akaragamo ari omuhicu murungi wemicwe nemitwarize yafonera umurimo w'umurungi naza kushwerwa.
Good question. Niwe na kache just in a fraction of a second.
Niwe kache kenyine ninja mutwaza kuzo mu relationships reka tumanye nakigamba ngo grade mu rijungu nimba ndashobye reka tumanye grade zitu otareba umuntu ari kuriya higuri bo rya hanso kamwe turika eri kunene information shige mutwara abiri utakumba sarondori webiri kananye nani ndengo erankizire turakwataga ne turazameza tukikirizana reka ndondo umuntu uri wa grade ya.
That's all the time we had. Twenda kusima kana no kwendeza ibirungi kwendeza Valentine nunjinyowe ekikwenda ngungambe no kugira ngo shema poni yukora bebo bakweze kimuri ukacherezo ndijo shema
azamara
yes bakweze kimuri kijya cyawe umukuno wantu wachwa wacherezo ndijo shema poni you kora be waze kukura but you know that deep down tokumanya wokwenda and shema poni you kora be wachire muri binji mununga ukubona utubiye noboza z'abantu aba and then very lastly reka tugize kutaho buri kumanya abantu nibakundwa batakana bakunda kukunda bata. There's what you call the 5 love languages. Harabakunda ngo bahereze birabo, harabakunda ngo bakwate tweta physical touch, harabakwenda ngo bahureso ikigambo gicu wakora, haro mwene bintu nibyinji munonga. So manyo umuntu wawe ukwakunda ngo omukundi, and that will mark a very good beginning. Twendeze birunji have a very lovely Valentines kandi mujise ngo akakukasirimu karuhu kanumbazi tutubwine. Murari kurunji.
Nehinda